Slack, Trello, or Asana? Which one's the best for managing your projects? Let's break it down. First, they're not the same kind of tool. Slack is a messaging app with some project tools. Trello is a visual task board perfect for to-do lists and Kanban workflows. And Asana is more advanced. It's made for managing multi-step projects, timelines, and dependencies. Trello is the easiest. Drag, drop, and done. Great for visual thinkers. Slack is intuitive for chatting but messy if you try to manage projects there. And Asana, slight learning curve. But once you're in, it's powerful. Trello shines for simple workflows but lacks native reporting. Asana offers timelines, dependencies, workload management. It's made for teams with complex tasks. Slack, it works best with tools like Trello or Asana, not instead of them. Use Slack for team communication, not for managing tasks. Then choose Trello if your projects are simple and visual. Think content calendars, checklists, sprints. And go with Asana if you need detailed planning, team collaboration, and progress tracking across big projects. So, not a one size fits all, but now you know which fits you. So, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now, we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!